Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Monster Hunter Now application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. Go ahead and open your App Store to begin, and then in the search box appearing at the top, type in Monster Hunter Now and search. Look for this application from Niantic Inc. and tap on the Get button to begin downloading Monster Hunter Now on your iPhone. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Monster Hunter Now is a reality mobile game in the Monster Hunter series developed by Niantic and Capcom and published by the former. It is an authentic hunting action game that discovers a variety of monsters depending on the habitat around you, such as forest, desert, or swamp. Simply wait for the application to download and install and tap on the open button to open the app on your iPhone. And you can start playing the game. And that is how you can easily download Monster Hunter Now on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.